Hi guys, welcome back to Grouchy Grotch Tips. And I'm back with some of my rusty tools again. This is a Snap-on Torx bit. And I live in Michigan where it's humid and everything gets rusty here. So this one obviously I haven't used a bunch. I got a set of these that need to be done. So I'm just going to show you one here on how I do it. I already done a little bit of it, so you can see where I use the steel wool on it, and this is double aught, so double zero here. So you just clean it up, and I'm using perma blue, gun blue on them, and I really like doing it. I like the oxo blue better, but I bought like 3 bottles of this, so I'm going to use it up. But the next time I'm going to get oxo blue. And I want to show you guys how these turn out. And when you do this, you want to keep it more towards the bit and not on the chrome. Unless that it doesn't bother you. It doesn't really bother me too bad if I get a little bit on the chrome. I just use them. And this keeps them from rusting. And I mean, obviously, if you use them and you got oil and stuff on your hands, and it keeps them from rusting, I get it. But I got a bunch of these, so some of them don't get used as much as others. So that's pretty clean there. And you can just spray WD-40 on it too. But the gun blue is nice. So I take a dauber. I got these off of Amazon. They're a wool dauber, and I got the perma blue in here. And you want to wear some gloves because this stuff's pretty nasty. So what you do here, you can already see it working. And I'm tilting it down so it doesn't drip all over the chrome because it will etch that chrome. And you're mainly worried about the tip anyway, basically, about the quarter down from it. So there you go. And then after you do this, you rinse it off with some water. And then you go back to your steel wool, and you steel wool it a little bit because it builds up like a little layer on there, and you want to get that layer down a tad. I mean, it ain't bad or anything. Get her all cleaned up there. Okay, and let her dry off. And you could do this a couple times. Sorry about bumping that camera. But you can do this a couple times, get it a deeper blue, and it'll last longer. I just don't have a ton of time here to show you this. And you take your WD-40, and you give her a little spray. There you go. Keep hitting that camera. Sorry, guys. And then you wipe her down. And there you go. You got you a nice recoated bit. And that'll last, depends on how much you use it. It should last you about a year. Well, thanks for watching, guys. And please like and subscribe.